Hi, my name is David Neff. Within my group is Lauren Derouchie and Matt Annechino. Our company is going to be called the Undoing Project. So what we plan to do is to focus on producing a plastic replacement for products used in everyday life, and we're going to make that out of recycled materials. So the types of products we want to specialize in replacing would be water bottles, Tupperware, household cleaning products, and also other containers for smaller products that would be usually come in plastic. And we would like to partner with big companies to start to make a bigger change throughout the environment.
So, taking a look at our company's business model, we want to align ourselves with companies who have similar beliefs on sustainability practices. Specifically speaking, we'd like to partner with Nestle. They are the largest water bottle company in the entire world. They own over 48 different bottled water companies and one tea brand. And they have a lot of specific objectives in their business model. One being they strive for having a zero impact on the environment, and this includes tackling plastic pollution. So taking a look at some of our main competition, it mainly consists of Coca-Cola and PepsiCo. Between the two companies, they have just under 50 different brands of bottled drinks, and they produce a ton of plastic bottles every year.
So, looking into a little bit about Coca-Cola, they have a variety of unethical business practices in the past. The first being dehydrating communities. Coca-Cola goes into these third world countries and exploits their natural water resources. It takes about 3 liters of water to produce 1 liter of Coke. So, without these water resources, Coca-Cola would have no business. Secondly, they have violated workers' rights in over 4 countries, including Colombia, Turkey, Guatemala, and Russia. These workers said that Coca-Cola has come in and made them do an unfair amount of work for an unfair amount of pay. Guatemala especially has complained about Coca-Cola since the 1970s, claiming that they've taken their water resources and ruined farmers' fertile land, so they no longer have an income source. And Coca-Cola kind of created a monopoly in these countries within the workers. A little more about Coca-Cola. They spend millions of dollars on marketing each year to create a clean image. But when you really look into Coca-Cola's business practices, what they're doing is very unethical because they're exploiting these poor countries into doing the work for them. And not only that, but they're taking their natural resources and reducing their quality of living. They're also known to dump waste into communities surrounding their production facilities. So all of the excess product and pollution that Coca-Cola creates from producing their product, they've dumped onto local farmers' land, resulting in lower income and higher poverty rates for these farmers and their surrounding communities. And then recently, in 1999, Coca-Cola faced a lawsuit for racial discrimination within the United States. They were paying African American workers up to $26,000 less per year when compared to white workers. And instead of taking this lawsuit to court, they settled it by paying $190 million to workers who were mistreated, which I think says a lot about a company that they don't want everyone to know what they've done. Instead, they'd rather pay off their dues in monetary funds.